small parrots. The little parrots or small parrots list among the different breeds of parrots that exist. Some may be more suitable for you than others. This is, for example, the case of small parrots. If you want to adopt one or more parrots, but you have never had one before, small chickens can be a good choice to start with. Learn about some of the many species of small parrots. Voice thoughts. The voice ballad is not the best known of parrots. Wrongly. This small parrot is native to the African continent and is successful as a pet bird. He has a side that is both tender and fun, and always seems to be in a good mood. In addition, he has certain gifts for imitation, so you can try to teach him to repeat some sounds or words. Be aware, however, that he is not one of the most able-bodied parrots to speak. Compact and not very noisy. It is ideal if you live in an apartment. He is easily tamed and loves to play. He will appreciate having several toys available to him in his cage. You will find in the store many models of games and toys for your little parrots. You will be able to observe them for long moments, having fun. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing.
This is the life of Bo 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 Bo. This is the life of Bo 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 Bo. Bohemian